Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Korean brow pencil is probably one of the most essential tools in any makeup enthusiast's arsenal, but with so many options flooding the market, finding the perfect one can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Korean brow pencils, exploring what makes them so unique, and helping you discover the ideal product to achieve those flawless, natural-looking brows you've always desired. Number 5. ETUDE Drawing Eyebrow, Dark Brown. This eyebrow pencil offers adhesive lasting power for your brows. The combination of powder, wax, and oil ensures your eyebrows stay in place all day long. It's perfect for a long-lasting, natural look. The pencil glides on smoothly, providing even color without clumping. You can layer it for a more defined look. It's easy to use and delivers consistent results. This pencil comes with a built-in brush for easy application. It allows for both delicate lines and bold strokes. This feature ensures a professional finish every time. The triangular shape of the pencil allows for precise and easy drawing. You can create neat and delicate finishes. This design helps you achieve the perfect brow shape. The pencil provides a natural color that mimics your natural eyebrows. With the right amount of pigment, you can build up the color for a customized look. It's designed to give you a natural, everyday look. What we like. This pencil offers long-lasting color, ensuring your brows stay perfect all day. Its smooth application makes it easy to achieve an even color payoff, and the built-in brush allows for precise shaping. If you're looking for a reliable, everyday brow pencil that delivers a natural look, you should consider this. What people say. The pencil is very easy to use. The color is perfect, and it lasts all day. The product is waterproof and smudge-proof. Number 4. iMethod Microblading Eyebrow Pen, Dark Brown. This magical brow pen features a precise brush tip for creating hair-like strokes and a 4-fork tip for filling in sparse areas. It also helps blend the color. This dual-ended design makes it easy to achieve perfect brows. Designed to transform your brows, this waterproof eyebrow pencil gives natural fullness. It's super quick and easy to use, allowing you to achieve defined, natural-looking brows in seconds. It resembles 3D natural real hair. With a water-resistant, non-dry formula, it delivers up to 24 hours of wear. It's smudge-proof and transfer-proof. You can easily wipe it clean with makeup remover. This microblade brow pen is perfect for filling in eyebrow gaps and hairlines. It's compact, fitting easily into your makeup bag. You can perfect your brows anytime and anywhere with it. It comes in 7 shades to match all skin tones. Gently shake the pen up and down before use. Always keep the cap tight when not in use, and clean your brow area before use. What we like. This brow pen's 2-in-1 design features a 4-fork tip for filling and a brush tip for creating natural hair-like strokes. It promises all-day wear, so your brows stay flawless. If you want a quick and easy way to achieve natural, full brows that last, you should choose this. What people say. The pencil has a triangular tip that makes it easy to fill in the brows and create natural-looking hair strokes. The color is a perfect match for my dark brown hair, and it lasts all day without smudging. The spoolie brush is a great addition for blending the product and shaping the brows. Number 3. LAVONE Makeup Kit, Brow Pencil, Eyeliner, Brush. Tired of spending ages on your brows? This LAVONE kit helps you instantly outline and define them. It's designed to give you flawless, symmetrical brows in just 1 minute, and it's long-lasting and waterproof. Shape and fill your brows with this ultra-skinny brow pencil. Its precise tip coats even the finest hairs for a natural look. You can easily create the look of natural brow hairs with it. Get a defined finish with this waterproof liquid eyeliner. The ultra-precise tip is flexible and easy to use. You can control the thickness of your lines, from fine to bold, depending on your preference. This highly pigmented formula keeps your brows in place all day without smudging. It's also waterproof and smudge-proof, making it perfect for any activity, whether it's swimming or a busy day. This LAVONE makeup kit includes a brow pencil in dark brown, a liquid eyeliner in black, eyebrow powder in dark brown, a dual-ended eyebrow brush, and a convenient zipper pouch. It has everything you need for on-the-go touch-ups. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for perfect brows, including a skinny pencil for precise definition. It's waterproof and smudge-proof, ensuring your brows stay in place all day. If you like a complete set with a precise pencil and long-lasting wear, you should consider this. What people say. The pencil is very easy to use. The color is perfect for my brows. It's waterproof and long-lasting. Number 2. LAVONE 2-in-1 Eyebrow Makeup Kit. Introducing the LAVONE Eyebrow Kit. This kit instantly defines and fills in your brows, no matter how much hair you have. Get flawless, natural-looking brows in just 1 minute with this long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof kit. The innovative 2-in-1 dual-ended eyebrow pencil features a 4-tip microblading design. It creates realistic, hair-like strokes to fill in sparse areas. It's easy to apply and provides up to 24 hours of wear. This microblade eyebrow pen isn't just for brows. You can also use it to fill in hairlines, draw eyelashes, and create eyeliner looks. The waterproof liquid pen is flexible and easy to use, giving you a defined finish every time. The highly pigmented pomade keeps your brows in place all day without smudging. It's long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof, making it perfect for any activity. The LAVONE waterproof liquid eyeliner has an ultra-precise tip that is flexible and easy to use. Control the thickness of your lines for a fine or bold look. The look is always up to you. The LAVONE Brow Makeup Kit includes a dark brown brow pencil, dark brown brow pomade, black eyeliner, and a dual-ended brush. It also comes with a convenient zipper pouch for on-the-go use. Get yours today. What we like. This kit features a 2-in-1 microblading pen for drawing natural hair-like strokes and filling in sparse areas. It's also versatile, allowing you to fill in hairlines and create eyeliner looks. If you want a multifunctional product with long-lasting results, you should choose this. What people say. The dual brush that comes with it works great, too. It includes a fine brush on one side for detail work, and a spoolie brush on the other for combing and setting hairs in place. The kit also has a pen that is also dual use, with a single fine brush on one end and a microblading brush with several separated tips on the other for general shaping without looking fake. Everything is really smudge waterproof. I say really because you really gotta rub hard to scrub the products off after you let it dry. It only barely smudges, including the eyeliner. The brow pomade and ink pen are very buildable. If you're like me and are looking for very light brow colors, this is honestly perfect. I have blonde hair and grayish-brown eyebrows, so I need something not so bold. Number 1. Julep Brow 101 Sculpting Pencil and Tinted Brow Gel Set. Introducing the Julep Brow 101 Set, a dual-ended tool for perfect brows. This set makes it easy to achieve natural-looking, fuller brows with just one convenient product. It's the secret to beautifully defined brows. The fine-tip pencil allows for precise filling of sparse areas. You can create hair-like strokes for customized definition. It's designed to give you the brows you've always wanted. This sweat-resistant formula ensures your brows stay perfect all day long. From morning to night, your brows will look groomed and defined. It's designed to last, no matter what your day brings. The lightweight tinted brow gel shapes and sets your brows in place. It adds soft color and dimension. This gel will keep your brows looking perfect all day. The compact dual design simplifies your routine. It's ideal for quick touch-ups and travel. This is the perfect tool for beautiful brows, anytime, anywhere. What we like. This dual-ended tool combines a precision pencil with a tinted gel for perfectly defined brows. Its sweat-resistant formula ensures your brows stay groomed all day. If you like a convenient, travel-friendly product that offers both definition and hold, you should consider this. What people say. Very precise, good color, and lasts a long time. Easy to apply and looks very natural. Works well for short strokes to do fill-ins and also for extending the brow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.